Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me loud and clear? Hello, 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 can you hear me? Hello, okay, before I continue, I want you to let me know if you can hear my voice loud and clear. If you hear what I'm saying, just let me know, or if you don't hear what I'm saying, also let me know as well. Okay, okay, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Okay, so let's start. Let's continue. Okay, you have been hearing about binary options, how to make profit in binary trading. I think you have already watched some of my YouTube videos, live trading on binary option. Okay, so today I want to show you the basic step. For this basic step will help you understand what it means to trade binary option. Okay, so before you dive into binary option, you must first understand the basic steps of binary trading. Okay, you must first understand the basic steps of binary trading, how you can make profits or how you can make money in binary. Okay, I think the main purpose for people trading binary option is how they can make profit in binary option. That's why I'm going to that is why I'm going to teach you the basic step. Once you understand this basic step, then I'll now teach you about the the strategy, the strategy you can use to profit in the binary option market. Okay, so the basic step to binary option trading, I have only 10 basic steps. Okay, so before that, let us discuss. Let me explain the meaning of binary option. What do we mean by binary option? Okay, when we are talking about binary option, binary is just like uh, 1 and 0. Okay, you predict yes or no. Okay, binary option trading involves predicting the price movement of an underlying asset within a specific time frame. So if you predict the price movement of an underlying asset within a specific time frame, so it is important to note that binary option trading carry a high level of risk, and many regulators worldwide warn against it due to potential for significant financial loss. So you must know that before you dive into trading, you must know the risks that is involved. Nothing in this life that is easy. So if you really want to make profit or you want to make money in trading, you must also understand the risks that is involved, especially binary option. So binary option, just like you predict the price movement of or an underlying asset within a specific time frame. So also you must know that the binary option carries a high level of risk. Okay, so profitability in binary option is not guaranteed. A lot of people think that when they start trading they will make profits. When they start trading they will make profits, but profitability in binary option is not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed that you're going to make profit. Okay, it's not a sure thing you're going to make money in binary option. Okay, so and it is crucial to approach it with caution. So if you really want to make profit in trading, or let's say a binary option, you must approach it with caution. Okay, so if you decide to engage in binary option trading, here are some general steps to consider. So I'm going to list all the general steps you must consider whenever you trade binary option. Okay, the first steps I'm going to talk about is the first one is educate yourself. Educate yourself. So understand the basics of binary option trading, including how the contract works. So the types of option available and the associated risks. You must educate yourself. So how do you educate yourself? You must understand the basics of binary option trading, including how the contract works. Okay, you must understand the basics of binary trading. Also, you must learn about market analysis, including technical analysis, fundamental analysis, to help you inform your trading decision. So if you want to dive into trading, into binary option trading, the first steps to do is educate yourself. Okay, educate yourself. Someone that has never known anything about binary trading or anything like financial trading or forex market cannot easily dive into trading without finding the source, or let's say without finding the 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 topic to trade with. Okay, so you must learn about market analysis. Educate yourself. Some of my trading in binary option, they include technical analysis. Even sometimes I use fundamental analysis. Okay, but most of my trading, it include technical analysis. You must learn how to apply technical analysis. What I mean by technical analysis, I'm talking about a situation whereby you are analyzing the market. You are drawing trend lines. You look at the pattern. You look for a pattern. You look for a candlestick pattern or a chart pattern. You draw your levels. You draw your horizontal levels, your support and resistance, your trend line, your supply and demand. Those are what we call technical analysis. Also, when we are talking about fundamental analysis is, let's say, the news, the news time. Okay, for instance, you want to open a trade on Euro USD. You must first look at the technical analysis. Okay, you must first look at the technical analysis. Let's say, for instance, there's going to be a news on the USD by 130. There's going to be a news on USD by 130. The first thing you have to do is you must look for the technical analysis of any currency with a USD, either base or counter. Okay, any currency that has a base, that has USD as a base or counter, you must look for the technical analysis. For instance, Euro USD, you can make use of Euro USD by looking for the technical analysis. Maybe you look for a support or resistance, you look for supply and demand, then wait for the fundamental analysis. Okay, fundamental analysis also include when you analyze the previous news of that currency that's going to happen. Okay, you analyze what has happened to that currency, be able to know what the market is going to do next. So that is what we call fundamental analysis. So this analysis help you inform your trading decision. So without this analysis, you can't predict market. You can't predict any price movement. So the first step, you must educate yourself. You must educate yourself. Okay, the second step now I want to talk about is choose a reputable broker. Choose a reputable broker. That is number two. You must select a binary option broker with a good reputation. Research and read reviews to ensure the broker is legitimate and transparent. Okay, a lot of people who drive into trading, the first thing they do is just choose any broker they like, and they end up, let's say, the broker end up, they decided to take away their money. Maybe they make some profit and the broker close their account, something like that, blah blah blah. But let me tell you one thing: if you want to make profit in binary option, you must, like I said, you first educate yourself, then you now choose a broker. Sometimes some broker uh, are not operating in some countries. Like for instance, IK option. I don't think IK option operates in the US. Okay, IK option doesn't operate in the US. I think Pocket option operates. Olim Trade operates. Okay, there are so many binary option broker. Okay, like the one I'm using currently, I'm using the Pocket option. Also, some of my YouTube video, I like to use the IQ option. Okay, because before I can use IQ option as my binary option broker, I must check the review of that broker if they are legitimate. Okay, if they are legitimate and transparent, I must check if this broker is true. Okay, and how and I also must check if they operate in my country. Same thing with pocket option. So I cannot just choose a broker without checking, or without observing, or without finding out the review of that broker. So you must choose a reputable broker to trade with. Okay, select a binary option broker with a good reputation. So research, you must also do your research, read reviews to ensure the broker is legitimate and transparent. Okay, so if I trade with IK option, that doesn't mean that IK option will be operating in your country. So I don't know about that. You can also, if IK option is operating in your country, you can trade with IK option, or pocket option is operating in your country, you can trade with pocket option. Or if Olim trade is operating in your country, you can trade with Olim trade. Same thing with expert option. Okay, there are so many binary option broker, but the broker that are more reliable you can trade with is the binary, the IK option, pocket option, expert option, and the only trade. So any other broker, I have not read, I have not do research on them. So these are the four broker I'm using currently. So you must choose a reputable broker. Okay. Number three, start with a demo account. You must start with a demo account. Make If you want to make money in binary option, you must follow these steps. Start with the demo account. Number three, many broker offer demo accounts where you can practice trading with virtual money. In demo account, it's just like a fake money. Okay, you can't withdraw the money. It's just for you to practice. Okay, start with the demo account. So this allow you to get familiar with the platform and test your strategy without risking refund. Okay, it allow you to test your strategy, also get familiar with the platform. You can start with a demo account. Okay, you see how the demo account, how the broker are operating. Okay, you check the platform. Is the platform okay? Is the broker legitimate? Can I trade on refund with this broker? So you must first thing do first, you must start with a demo account before you do that. Okay, then number four, develop a trading strategy. Develop a trading strategy. I'm only showing you how, or I'm only listing out the basic steps you can make money in profits, make money in binary option. Okay, the basic steps. So before, as time goes on, I'm going to teach you some of my trading strategy that I use to make profit in binary option. Okay, so you must develop a trading strategy. Establish a well thought out trading strategy based on your analysis and risk tolerance. So this could involve technical indicators, chart pattern, or fundamental analysis. Okay, you can make use of your technical indicator, like the indicator. If you can make use of the EMA, the RSI, CCI. Okay, look for or develop a trading strategy. You can make use of it. Okay, also you can make use of the chart pattern. Okay, if you have a head and shoulder pattern, or if you have a triangle pattern, a symmetrical triangle pattern, or you have what we call a channel pattern. Okay, look for those patterns, develop your strategy with them. Okay, see how the market operates. Let's say you assume you are analyzing the market, then you saw a head and shoulder pattern. You must find out how head and shoulder pattern works in the market. Okay, also you can use the fundamental analysis as well. So develop a trading strategy. So with these steps, you can make profit in trading. Okay. Then number five, risk management. This is the most important thing in the trading. Okay, management. So set a budget for your trading activities and adhere to it. Only invest money that you can afford to lose. I used to say this to my students or anyone close to me, most especially those who want to learn from me about trading. I always tell them that only invest money you can afford to lose. Okay? Only invest the money you can afford to lose. If you can't afford $10, don't invest $10. If you can't afford $100, don't invest $100 in your trading. This is the most important thing. A lot of people think that if they can't afford $10, maybe the only $10 they have on with them, they use it to trade. And at the end of the day, they predict the wrong market direction, and before you know, their account is blown. No money in the account, and they end up just like that, without nothing. Okay, they go bankrupt. So what I'm trying to say is that you must set a budget for your trading activities and adhere to it. For instance, if you have, if you can afford a $10 account, if you can afford a $10 account, afford to lose a $10 account, then you can deposit or you can start trading with your $10. Okay, on each trade you use $1, or let's say $2 or $3, any amount you like to use. Okay, so once you enter the trade and trade was successful, well, if you enter many trade and the trade were all the trade was successful, then you can easily withdraw your money uh, without without any problem. So what I'm trying to say, you must set your budget for your trading activities. Set your budget. Okay, today I'm going to make a $10. Tomorrow I'm going to make $20. Okay, so just like that, you must learn how to manage your trading account. Okay, which that's what we call risk management. Okay, I'll only say this: do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. So only invest the money you can afford to lose. Only invest the money you can afford to lose. Okay, so number six. So I'm going to list out the 10 steps. So now let's talk about the number six steps. Stay informed. Number six, stay informed. Keep up with financial news and events that could impact the market economic indicator or any report and geopolitical events can influence asset price. Okay, okay, maybe during this our section, I'm going to explain to you the difference between real market and OTC market. Okay, but not today. Maybe next time. Maybe during this week. Okay, maybe during this week, I'm going to make a video to explain the difference between real market and the OTC market. Okay, so the six steps you have to take to make profit in binary option is you must stay informed. Always check the financial news events. Okay, check the financial news and events that will impact the market. Okay, check, for instance, if there's going to be a news by 1:30, you must find out what type of news is that and which currency is it going to affect. Is it going to affect USD? Is it going to affect the pound, GBPB? Is it going to affect the JPY? Is it going to affect the AUD? Something like that. So when you stay informed, it will help you prepared on how you're going to take a decision on your trade. Okay, so stay informed. Okay, maybe a lot of people when they sell when they notice that the news is going to happen in the next 30 minutes during their trading section, they will stop trading at that moment. Then after the news, they will now come back and start trading. Well, I recommend you to do that. So trading during the news is not recommended to new trader at all. Don't trade during the news because you don't know what the market is going to do. Okay, it's not possible to predict what the market is going to do in the future. Okay, you just have to apply some analysis that will help you predict if the answer is yes or the answer is no. Okay, so you must keep up with financial news. Okay, then number seven, monitor your trades. Monitor your trade. Keep a close eye on your open trade. Okay, be prepared to exit a trade if it is not going as expected or if the market condition change. Okay, this apply to both forex trader and binary option. So don't think that this only apply to forex trader. No, you can also apply to binary option. For instance, if you open a trade and then if you want to open a trade and then you see the market is not good, so many weak, so many rejections, so many shadow, so many gap. This is telling you that the market is not good at the moment. So you have to stop trading or you have to skip the trade section. So it means that do not trade. That is what it's telling you. So you must keep a close eye on your open trade or you prepare to open to exit a trade if it is not going as expected or if the market condition has changed. Then number eight steps, divis- diversify your trade. So avoid putting all your funds into a single trade. Okay, diversifying your trade can help spread risks. Don't put all your funds into a single trade. Okay, that is why I always tell my students. Anytime you have it, Anytime you decided to start a trade with a $10 account, don't trade or don't put all your money, don't put all the trade $10 account in a single trade, thinking you're gonna make profit. Okay? Well, if the market go as expected, as you expected, you might likely to make profit. But if the market doesn't go as expected, you end up losing the, the money. Okay, so you must avoid putting all your funds in a $10 account. At least $2 on each trade is enough. $3 on each trade is enough. Even $5 on each trade is enough. So don't say you have a $10 account, then you want to use the whole $10 account to open a trade. No. So avoid putting all your fund into a single trade. You must diversify trade, your trade. Okay, this can help help the spread risks. Okay, maybe on the first trade you open a $2 deal, on second trade you open a $3 deal. Before you know, you start making profit. Before you know, you make a consistent income in binary option. So stop or don't put all your fund into a single trade. Number 9, understand expiry times. Okay, beware of expiry times for your trade option contracts. So different strategy may be better suited for short-term or long-term option. Okay, you must understand your expiry time. Okay, you must understand because there are some strategy that requires you to enter a trade with 2 minutes expiry time, or with 3 minute expiry time, or with 5 minute expiry time. Just like the strategy I'm going to show you this week. I'm going to show you this week. Let's assume it can be let's say maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm going to show you a strategy that we that you can apply in your trading. Okay, because there are some strategy that need the 5 minute expiry time, or 2 minute expiry time, or 3 minute expiry time, even 10 minutes, 15 minute expiry time. There are some strategies that require that. Okay, you must understand the expiry time. This is very much important in trading when you are trading binary option. In forex, you don't need to disturb yourself about, or you don't need to consider the expiry time. No, but in binary, you must understand the expiry time. Okay. Then the last steps is you must review and adapt. Review and adapt. Regularly review your trading performance and adjust your strategy as needed. So learn from both successful and unsuccessful trades. This is one of my secrets. The last word here, I said you must learn from both successful and unsuccessful trade. Okay, which means that anytime you open a trade and your trade go to the direction you predicted and you won the trade, keep that in mind while you won a trade. Also, if you open any position and you end up losing the trade, you must also keep that in mind, that why did I lose this trade? So that if that same condition repeats itself in your next trade, you should avoid losing the trade, or you should avoid the risk that is involved, or that will make you to lose the trade. Okay, you prepare yourself. Okay, if I put uh, if I put if I buy a put option in this trade and I end up losing the account, well, if I see the same condition that happened in my next trade, I will not buy a put option. I will buy a call option. Okay, so you must learn from both successful and unsuccessful trade. You must review and adapt. You must review regularly your trading performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Okay, review and adapt. Review and adapt. These are the 10 basic steps, the 10 basic steps to make profit in binary option. So if you want to start your journey as a binary option trader, you must follow these steps. Okay, you must follow these steps. Okay, so remember that binary option trading is speculative and involve a high level of risk. So it is essential to approach it with caution and consider seeking advice from financial professional. So additionally, be aware of the regulatory environment in your region. So as some juri- jurisdictions have banned or heavily regulated binary option trading, always prioritize your financial well-being and make informed decisions. Okay, you must remember that trading binary option carries a high level of risk. Okay, add that in mind. Binary option carries a high level of risk, so you should know if you're going to trade the binary option or not. Okay, decide. Don't say because people are making money in binary option trading, then you also want to make money in binary option trading. Binary option trading is not for anyone. It's for people who who are willing to follow the steps. Okay, those who are willing to follow the steps, understand the market. But if you don't want to follow the steps to make profit in binary option, you can't make profit in binary option. It's not easy that way. Okay, it's not easy that way. But you must try hard to follow the steps, the rules. Don't overtrade. Okay, follow the stay informed. Okay, practice on demo account. Okay, always check the news. Okay, those are the steps you must follow. There are so many of them, but I just have to list out the basic one that you must understand. Okay, so this is how you make profit in binary option trading. So I'm going to share the video to you so that you can watch it anytime. Okay, uh, okay. So if you want to learn how to trade in binary option, like I said, some of the basic steps to trade binary option. Okay, you see that when you see a situation whereby market reverse, okay, you see at this top of this level here, the market reverse to downside. You must find out the reason why market reverse to downside. Same thing here, why the market reverse to downside, why the market reverse to downside. This should not give you the idea that this area the market is reversing multiple times is an area of reverse a seller's area. Okay, then what you do next is you have to apply it in your next trade activities. Look for seller's area, enter the trade. Okay, you see the market reverse here, market also reverse here, the market also reverse here. That's what we call seller's area. So which means that if you want to draw the seller's area, observe the market movement. Okay, if I want to draw seller's area in this kind of situation, what I'm going to do is, although are you still there? Okay, if I want to draw seller's area here, I must first observe what the market is doing here. Okay, I must look at, okay, this is rejection. Okay, the market, the sellers reject the price here from this level. Same thing here. I'm seeing the sellers around this area as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is draw the second line, so around here. Okay, I'm going to draw the second line here. Okay, the first line is here, second line is here. Then you can see when the price reach that level, this candle close inside and rejection occurred, and we have the seller's entries. Okay, same thing happens here. This candle close inside, next candle open below the line, next candle close inside, but this candle there was a gap in the market. So as the buyers were unable to break the level, that is when the sellers enter the market. Okay, that's when sellers enter the market. So let's assume you want to take trade here with a $10 account. You open a trade with, in this kind of situation, you open a trade with 5 minute expiry time. You can say, okay, count from here. First candle, second candle, third candle, fourth candle, then fifth candle. Okay, those are your 5 minute expiry time. And you can see that you have already won the trade. You can also open a trade with 1 minute expiry time. Okay, the first candle close as red. That's the 1 minute expiry time. Okay, but here in this situation, you open a trade with 1 minute expiry time, and this is the 1 minute candle. Wait for the price to close inside and wait for a reversal sign candlestick pattern. A reversal sign candlestick pattern. What is the reversal sign candlestick pattern here? Is this candle. This type of candle, we call it the shooting star candle. Okay, shooting star candle inside the zone. Okay, and this, what do we call this candle? We call it the hanging man. Okay, just like the hammer, but it's at the resistance. So we call it the hanging man. So what happened next? The next candle here was in red. Same thing here. What happened to this candle here? We call it the shooting star candle inside the zone. Then the next candle was red. So if you analyze or if you pick a strategy in this trading, in this condition, then your next trade you should be able to predict markets properly. Your next trade, you saw a candlestick, you enter the trade. Okay, you saw a candlestick pattern, you enter the trade. So that is how you trade binary option and make profit in binary option. So stop complaining that a lot of people are losing money and they can't make profits. I know some people like that who are complaining that they are unable to make profit in binary option. It's easy to make profit in binary option only if you understand the price action. If you understand the price movement, you can read the market, then it will be easy for you to trade binary option. But the most important part in trading, both binary and forex, is the risk management. Okay, learn how to control yourself whenever you put money in the market. Learn how to control yourself. So don't ever think you're going to make profit in trading if you can't control yourself. No, you blow your account. So learn how to control yourself in trading. That is how you make profits in binary option. Okay, so I think I should stop here for today. So in our next class, I'll let you know when we're going to have our next class. So in our next class, I'm going to teach you the basic step to draw support and resistance. Okay, how to draw support and resistance, apply support and resistance in your trading, how to draw them. Okay, how to draw support and resistance and how to apply support and resistance in your trading. I'm going to show you that in our next class. It might be Tuesday. Okay, that will be on Tuesday this week. Tuesday this week. So after today, after tomorrow, Monday, then the next day, Tuesday this week, I'm going to show you how to draw support and resistance. Because this is the first step, you must know how to analyze the market. Okay, I've already tell you the steps. Okay, you must learn how to trade. You must learn how to trade the technical analysis. So the technical analysis we're going to start from is how to draw support and resistance. Okay, how to draw support and resistance. You know, sometimes market reach support and resistance and doesn't respect. Sometimes it respect. Sometimes it break and immediately decided to respect the resistance. So I'm going to show you how you can predict that support and resistance. You can also you can also get a strategy from that. Okay, trading support and resistance. So I think I should stop here for today. And if you have any question, you can just ask the question in the WhatsApp. So just text me in the WhatsApp, then I'll go for it. So okay, I hope you enjoy the class. So see you on Tuesday for our next topic, support and resistance, how to trade support and resistance. Okay, good night and have a nice day. Bye bye.